Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining scope and securing assets. Export or inventory pages from your CMS so you know what to translate and why each page matters. Choose a method, machine for speed, human for nuance, or hybrid to balance cost and accuracy. Once done, create backups and grant required access to translators or tools. Make sure to note content types like images, meta tags, and dynamic strings, because handling those differs from plain text and prevents broken pages later. Now you perform the core work. Extract translatable strings and separate code so you don't break templates. Run machine translation if chosen, but assign native reviewers to fix context, idioms, and brand voice. Once reviewed, import translations into your CMS or deploy resource files, ensuring slugs, hreflang tags, and localized metadata are updated. Make sure to test forms, date and number formats, and image alt text. If you use a translation management system, sync changes to keep content fresh. Finish by deploying the localized site and running live QA. You should click every flow, test forms, verify responsive layouts, and confirm right to left or special characters render properly. Once live, monitor analytics and search indexing to ensure traffic and SEO behave as expected. Adjust metadata or hreflang if not. If something breaks, use your rollback plan, check encoding and MIME types, fix broken links, and verify locale settings in templates. Keep a single troubleshooting tip handy. If unexpected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.